Okay, so oral health is really important, obviously, for your overall health, not just your teeth. And I absolutely love my Oral-B Sonic Care toothbrush, and you'll see if you're on my storefront, you'll see it other places as well. So the one thing I'm not great at is replacing the heads. That's something that I forget to do, unfortunately, too often. So I went ahead and got these replacement toothbrush heads for this, and so they were compatible. You can see how easily they just pop right on to my right onto my Oral-B Sonic toothbrush. So there are 4 heads, so there's 4 different heads that you get here. And with those, and you can get them in white as well. I got it in black not knowing that they were going to have these super cool colors at the bottom, which will help me rotate them. So I got them in black so I could rotate between black and white, and then I would know how long when I forget that it's been on there for a while. Now, it comes in really easy to keep case, right? I pulled just one of each to show you from here. And so you're able to just, put this in your storage so you have them accessible. The only thing that I'm not excited about is because there are these 4 different ones, I forgot from the time that these were sent to me and the time that I went ahead and tried them what each one was for, like what were the purposes. So I went ahead and I went back to the posting and I took it so I can put this little piece of paper now right in with it, because in the instructions it didn't have that. So that would be a suggestion going forward. Now, what here is, this one is a sensitive one. There are times, especially cyclical for me, where my teeth are more sensitive, my gums are more sensitive. So this is perfect for those sensitive days, right? And that's great. And then there is this one here, which is kind of for your beginning, when you're really starting with the spin brushes and you're starting to see, it's kind of more of a beginner one. So it gets tooth to tooth for you, and you can see kind of can wrap right around the tooth, which is wonderful. And then there's 2 advanced ones. So there's this one if you're looking for a deeper clean, you want more plaque removal. This one's kind of that interdental type of clean, and you can see by the difference in brushes, right, in the bristles, how they're structured. They still wrap around that tooth, but they have those differences. And then my favorite one, because I drink too much soda, is I'm always looking for ways to whiten my teeth. And so this is a really nice head for that. And so it has, again, the spot for your tooth, it wraps around it, and it has the extra polishing cup right in there, as well as the extra bristles. Now I'm going to turn this on so you can see how it is moving. Right? So it works great. It works just like a replacement to the name brand ones, right? I've really enjoyed using these. I will order these again, and I will continue to alternate now that I know there's these little green, blue, red, yellow little markers. I won't have to worry about not getting the white ones, so I'll be getting more of those. Anyways, I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. Go ahead and get yourself some. You're going to love how it makes your mouth feel.